AMSOIL Synthetic Marine Gear Lube is an exclusive AMSOIL formulation of synthetic base oils and high-performance additives that addresses the specific concerns of marine applications. It's fortified with extreme pressure additives for superior protection of fast accelerating, high-torque, high-horsepower engines. AMSOIL Synthetic Marine Gear Lube delivers advanced outboard protection against power loss, gear wear, and is designed to prevent rust. Marine gear oils operate in environments subject to water contamination. The chart displayed demonstrates the ability of AMSOIL Synthetic Marine Gear Lube to maintain design qualities such as extreme pressure, anti-wear performance, and resistance to foaming, even when subjected to 15% water contamination. The FOLEX procedure is a measurement of a gear lube's extreme pressure and anti-wear properties. A high value in the FOLEX extreme pressure test relates to extra extreme pressure protection. AMSOIL Synthetic Marine Gear Lube provides extreme pressure protection and is highly resistant to the effects of water contamination. The presence of foam in a lubricant disrupts the oil film and promotes wear. Water contamination can increase the likelihood of foam. Industry standard testing demonstrates zero foam in both new and water-contaminated AMSOIL Synthetic Marine Gear Lube. Join the millions of proud AMSOIL users to experience the difference and get your AMSOIL Synthetic Marine Gear Lube today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the preferred customer program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.